Hello everybody, I'm Enchanted Moon and welcome to my channel. I have another witchy unboxing for you, and this is from SugarMuses Deluxe for August. And this is what I see when I open it. We have our envelope in pretty golds. I'm just gonna, the theme for the SugarMuses is the witch's familiar. Now that is awesome. So our book of shadow sheets are absolutely gorgeous. We have like an Egyptian book of shadows and the witch's familiar. Both very pretty. Looks like my kitty cat. So I'm excited about that. And this cute little sticker. That's adorable. Oh, I have this deck at the store. It's really very cute. This is the Queen of Pentacles I got. Really cool deck. All right. Did I show you the back? I don't know if I did. And the black and the gold, very pretty together. And everything's always set so pretty. So right on top, we have a pet protection spell kit. That is awesome. And this is how it came. How cute is that? So in the spell kit, it looks like we have a black candle. We got pet protection blend. We got cool pentacle charm for the collar. And a cute little, since I dropped it, sticker. Really cute. I'm sure the directions are somewhere in here. This is a nice pentacle for the cat's collar. Absolutely love it. And the picture with the kitty cat on it, I really love. I love the theme. Okay. Right on top, we have a beautiful, tall beeswax white. Or an ivory, either way. We have a beautiful little herbal blend here. Cute for anything. I love laying them on my altar. But right on top we have this bubbled item. I have no idea what this could be. Exciting. Okay, and in here we have this. And it's taped. Okay. Oh. Beautiful. And it's a candle holder. Wow. This is the back. Candle holder there. Really, this is a beautiful piece. Oh, wow. It's gonna look, oh. Beautiful. Absolutely stunning. I love it. Then we have, I have night hair, sorry. I didn't get ready for my video, but I couldn't wait to open this. beautiful Basset ritual oil. Beautiful. Pretty cream color bag tied in a perfect little bow. Hi, baby. Hi. You found me. We're in the middle of gutting the house, so it's crazy. Two stones here. One looks like bloodstone. This one. This could be bloodstone too. They could be two bloodstones. Where you going, babe? And we also have catnip. Makes sense, right? Big bag of catnip. We also have cat's claw herb. A reusable bag. And incense, Egyptian musk. And that is everything. I guess you can drink this as a tea if you wanted to. All right, let's see what it's about. Hi, Bibs. Go downstairs. She's confused on where her food bowl is because we're starting the upstairs, so we kind of moved everything downstairs, so they're so confused. I feel so bad. And in the paperwork, I don't know if you can see it, but you're going to see a kitty cat. There you go. I don't know how... Someone tell me how these images are done. It's so awesome. Okay. Egyptian musk incense. The Basset ritual oil. The organic dried cat's claw, which is this. Tumble bloodstone. So they are two bloodstones. The botanical bundle, sacred space beeswax candle, the feline candle holder, the pet protection spell kit, the organic catnip tea, Basset art print, familiar and intuitively drawn tarot card. Hey, get out of there. Go out there and go potty. Go, you know where it is. Go. All right, let's see. Goes over the which is familiar, the history. The items in this box may be used in the order they are listed or any way you choose. All right, Peanut. Egyptian musk incense. All right, the Basset ritual oil is a powerful way to get out of here. Dedicate yourself and your magical components to the energies correspondent to your intent. It contains Egyptian sandalwood essential oil, amber absolute, and an almond base. Ooh. Go upstairs, go. Then we have, the organic dried cat's claw that is masculine. It's good for prosperity, protection, psychic powers, money drawing, and vision quests. Tumbled bloodstone is said to enhance creativity and intuition and drive away negative environmental energy. The bundle contains Ambodian flower, Caspeia flower, and everlasting yarrow. Pearly everlasting and yarrow. Cute. Then this is a sacred space beeswax candle. It's been hand rolled and dressed with dried yarrow. Candle magic works on the elemental level using the power of color and fire. White candles are often burned to promote cleansing, purification, healing, clarity, understanding, or insight. White is a neutral energy, making it useful as a substitute for any of the other colors in the spell candles. Spell candle actually radiates energy and your spell request out into the cosmos for as long as it burns. Adding feline companion to this type of spell work can double the dose of fire energy. And so is my kitty cat say. And that beautiful candle holder. Obviously, you can place this on your altar or wherever you'd like. Oh, the protection spell kit, which I really think is cool, contains protection spell, herb, charm, and tarot stick, intuitive charm for your pet. This kit can be used as a self-protection ritual, and charm can be placed on a bracelet, necklace, or added to the spell bag. The protection herbs is catnip, comfrey, garlic, dill, and bay. Use these items with your pet protection spell included in your kit. And then the art. There's just no spell for the pet protection spell. Ow, why you bite me? She bit me. She's probably saying, Mommy, I'm hungry. I can't buy my food. Alright, usually she has the spell on here. Maybe I missed it. There might be a spell included. And this intuitively drawn tarot card is called From the Golden Black Cat Tarot by Helena D. Almeida. I absolutely love this box because obviously Black Cat Familiar for me is awesome. I have my own black cat and I love her. Even if I didn't, I have a beautiful cat at the store. She's not black, but she's still an awesome, beautiful, loving familiar as well. So this is really, I really love it. And I love like everything about this. Let me know, guys, as always, what you think. This is really, really great. The only thing is, I mean, I can create my own pet protection spell to go with that. But if you guys are new, maybe you can look one up online if it's not included in here. Thank you guys for watching. I will leave the information about this box in the description below. See you soon. Bye.